as a part of sharing the good news right out of Excel, I want to look at conditional formatting again while I'm busy on my data set. So for this little clip, I'd like to look at icon sets used in conditional formatting. So in this World Happiness Report of mine, of which South Africa scores number 101, upsetting. But in this report, I'm going to highlight this GDP column, and I'm going to go to conditional formatting, which is under the home tab, and I'm going to go to icon sets. So just to explain what icon sets does, and you'll see that there's different formats. That's a very, very fast way to highlight the top, the middle sections, the below a certain percentage, and you can actually configure that afterwards as well. So if I just very quickly choose this first one, to understand how it actually works out, those icons, the easiest is to go to Manage Rules after you've set it up, select that rule, and then go Edit Rule. When you look at the rule here, you'll see that it says that the green arrow pointing up is when a value is equals to or greater than 67%. Then the yellow is when it's smaller than 67 and greater than or equal to 33%, and then the bottom is the 33% and down. So that's a very easy way, and of course you can actually modify these percentages. If I had to clear this, and I'm going to just remove this, so let's look at some of the others. If I had to apply another one, so conditional formatting, icon sets, let's take a look at one of these that gets a little bit more complicated, or maybe even that one. So I'm going to go for the Wi-Fi bars or battery bars. And if I look at this now again, let's take a look and say conditional formatting, manage rule. I'm going to select that rule so that I can understand how it actually makes up this rule. So if I go edit rule, let's take a look. It says, oh, okay, full bars is when the value is greater than or equal to the 80%. Then the second level is when it's smaller than 80% and greater than or equal to 60%. And then so forth between 60 and 40, between 40 and 20, and then the bottom 20%. So again, you can customize this to make sense according to your data set, but quite a cool little function that you can switch on is the icon sets.